Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you record something on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to record something on iPhone or iPad, you need to just go to your voice memos. So to find it, just search here voice memos, and in the top hit here you can see voice memos. Just click on it. Click on allow once or while using the app, enable, and in the bottom here you can see the red icon. Just click on it and record something. And here you can see the recording is here. If you click on this three dot icon beside the record, you can just copy it, save to files, or you can just share it to anywhere. So guys, that's how you can record something on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.